Hello everyone. Today we have iPhone 15. The screen is badly damaged, as you can see here. So it's badly broken. I will need to change the LCD for him. So first of all, we'll remove these two screws in the bottom. So this screen, according to him, he said it's been replaced. But so that's why we don't need to put it in the heat plate anymore. Yeah, so screen has been replaced before. Otherwise, if the still screen hasn't been changed, so we need to put it in the heating plate in order to soften the glue around the frame. We'll remove the screws, one for the LCD and the other one is for the Face ID sensor and the ear speaker. So carefully So now we'll put the Face ID sensor back. So we'll test it before we completely install it. We'll connect the so now we will test it before we completely install it. Here we go, it's working. Touch is good. So now we'll add this sealing around the screen and we'll close it. We'll call the customer. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to add likes and subscribe in the channel and share it with anyone who is interested in iPhone screen replacement. We are in Richmond Hill, Ontario. Maple cell phone and laptop repairs. Thank you.